Hey guys, welcome back to my class. Today we are diving into one of the most unsettling questions, how Iago manipulates Othello. And trust me, this is not loud villainy. It's quite precise and terrifying. I always tell my students the most dangerous villain is not the one who shouts, it's the one who whispers and lets you finish thought. So, how does Iago manipulate Othello? Through trust, doubt, insecurity, and false proof, not force, control of the mind. Step 1, build trust. Before anything else, Iago becomes honest Iago. Othello trusts him completely, and that trust becomes the entry point. Step 2, plant doubt. Iago never accuses directly, he hints, I like not that. And suddenly, Othello starts thinking for himself exactly what Iago wants. Step 3, exploit insecurity. Iago targets Othello's fears, his age, his outsider identity, his worth. Love slowly turns into suspicion. Step 4, provide false proof. Then comes the handkerchief. A simple object becomes evidence, and once Othello believes it, the damage is done. Here is the chilling part. Iago doesn't control Othello's actions, he controls how Othello sees reality. By Act 3, Othello is not being posed, he is already falling. So, how does Iago manipulate Othello? Not with power, but with suggestion, patience, and psychological precision. And that's the real tragedy. Othello doesn't fall because he is weak. He falls because he trusts. And in this play, trust is the deadliest weapon of all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.